So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an example of a good Redbubble shop and an example of a bad Redbubble shop in the hopes to allow yourselves to better your own Redbubble shops. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. If you haven't already, please do click on the subscribe button and make sure that you have the notification bell turned on. We've helped a lot of people to get their first online sales. If you're looking for any extra information, I have a free print on demand starter guide that's linked down below, as well as a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this full time. As for today's video, like I said, we'll be comparing two different shops. One shop is a shop that I reviewed a long time ago that till this day still stands out in my mind, and the other shop is a shop I found through Redbubble. So I literally searched up the things that have just newly been uploaded and then found a shop that I feel needs improvement. So yeah, we're going to be comparing those. Throughout this video, I want you guys to look out for any mistakes you might be seeing in the bad shop that you may also be doing, and I want you guys to kind of note them down so moving forward you can work on these things, better them, and get yourself to a point where you're actually increasing your sales. So I'm going to start off by what I am calling the bad shop. I mean, it could be worse, but nevertheless, straight off the bat we can see this person does not have a banner or a logo. They currently have 54 designs, so they are obviously putting work in the shop, looking to grow it. As I go through the shop, obviously all I can see is t-shirts. I'm not seeing any other products, and I'm going to speak about what I think may be causing this, and they've also got 5 favorites. So people are somewhat starting to find their shop, but I feel like this is a shop that has a lot more potential than what is actually happening here. Shops like this will tend to struggle to get sales for a few things. One of the main things is the fact that they're not showing the best-selling product. Now, for those who don't know, the best-selling Redbubble product is stickers. Another thing obviously comes within the theme to the shop. The shop doesn't have too much of a theme. I mean, there's no banner, logo like I mentioned before. There's no featured collections. There's no collections at all. So, I mean, for all the designs they have, it's a bit complicated if a customer is interested in a certain niche. Now, one thing I think this person's currently done is that they've set the default front product option. If you're someone who's starting out, you never want to go with that. You always want to select the sticker. Even though the sticker is selected, all the products you activate are still available to the customer, and I feel like this person is not really doing this. The fact that we can only see t-shirts is a bit of a downside on their end, because they could potentially be missing out on sales through stickers that people might come onto the shop to buy. Like some of these designs, I could imagine them on stickers such as this. It says Lake Life, maybe with a bit of a black outline around it. This design here, I could imagine that on a sticker. And yeah, I mean, like I said, this is a person who has a shop that has potential. Now, clicking on this design, looking at what they've done in regards of the title, they've titled it Miami, Florida. They've got 82 products activated, which, to be fair, for someone who's not ticking off all the correct boxes, they've still got a fair amount of designs up, but it's still not the full amount of designs. So that's something they definitely have to work on. And if you're watching this and you're someone with a shop that's very, very similar to this, you need to definitely make a few changes. Some big pointers for anyone with shops like this is to make sure that you're putting stickers as the front product, and that you're also creating sticker packs so you can become more competitive in the niches you are in. With shops like this, keywords are your friend, tags are your friends, and you want to be checking to see what other people in your niche are doing. And now moving us to the good shop, we have this shop here, the Crinzy Way. For those that watch my Redbubble shop reviews, you've probably seen me review this shop in the past. The shop now has 590 designs, and one of the first and main things that caught my eye about this shop was the banner and the logo and how everything linked nicely in terms of the whole theme of the shop. I understand not everyone can go out there and make banners like this, but if you do want to make something like this or get someone to make it for you, I mean, you can check out sites like Fiverr. There's people there that create things like that. Looking at the feature, they have a featured collection at the top, followed by more collections just below. I mean, there's a lot going on in regards of this shop. One thing I'm noticing is that they're implementing new products, so we can see the caps there. They've got stickers in there. I mean, they've got a whole load of things going on that, in my opinion, that shows a good variety in a shop, which is what you want at the end of the day. And yeah, even though they've got 590 designs, if a customer was to come onto this shop, they can easily go through the different styles, different niches. And although this is a good example of what you guys should be doing, even a shop like this always needs a little bit of work. I mean, looking through some of the designs, I'm not noticing too many sticker packs. So these are things that could definitely be added to this style of shop to make it even better. But for anyone looking to obviously create a Redbubble shop, make it stand out, you want the nice logo, you want a nice banner. It doesn't have to be too complicated, but most importantly, you want to make it easy for the customer to navigate through your shop. And this is something you guys can all do through making sure you have the little things activated, like a featured collection. So if you're a shop that's struggling to get sales, but you're noticing that there's certain designs that are getting traffic, you can actually put them on your featured collection to see if that can help you, give you that extra boost if people do keep coming back to your shop. With the collections, I mean, it's always good to have them there because collections make it easier to get more than one sale per item, because someone could click on your collection, like multiple things, and buy multiple things. And for those starting out, those struggling, this is what you need to aspire to get your shop to be. You need it to have designs that stand out. You know, you can have text-based designs. They don't all have to be complicated, but most importantly, you need to make sure that when it comes to your keywords, you're using them correctly. You have good titles. For example, here we have a design that says, "I'm not a regular teacher, I'm a cool teacher." A lot of keywords in there, and then we can see this is activated on nearly everything. Prinzy may not have seen that there's 3 new products that have been added to Redbubble, so that's something that may need to be activated there. And looking at the keywords, I mean, all the keywords are in relation to the title. There's nothing that doesn't make sense in regards of what's been put together with the keywords. And yeah, this is what you guys want to be doing, obviously, if you want to step up your game and you want to get your shop to that next level. I understand for the most part we're all at different levels in regards of our Redbubble journey, so I really do hope that this information has helped you guys. If you want to see another video very similar to this one, make sure to click here, comment down, let's get better, and always remember that everything is right in your favor, and manifest success.